Go. Joey's about to crack his balls. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, never mind.
Sorry, he whacked his belly.
I'm sorry, I'm messing up today.
Here it is. The Jackass video.
Oh, that really hurt me. How did I do it last time?
I don't know.
You just like brought it straight up. Yeah, like that. 2 halves.
Now he has 2 nuts. He is crying.
He was born with 2 nuts.
Here comes Riley. Oh yeah, 2 nuts.
He's got 2 nuts.
He's got 4. Let's check in on the bastard.
Stop swearing on it.
Joey. Oh.
Are you okay?
Hey, put colds at
I could go for a Mento.